Greetings, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep, and today we're delving into the fascinating world of vibration analysis, also known as VA. This powerful tool can help your organization save money and proactively address performance issues. If you want to know how, keep watching for a comprehensive guide on using VA. We'll discuss vibration measurement techniques, the types of devices that perform vibration analysis, and an exciting real-world example. Now let's dive in. Vibration analysis is a tool that collects vibrations detected from equipment and measures them against known failure vibrations to identify potential failure points. This matters as VA can help you proactively address performance issues before machines break on the job. It's a key tool in the Predictive Maintenance toolkit, helping to plan maintenance, boost asset performance, and prevent unscheduled downtime. VA can save your organization money by reducing unplanned downtime and helping schedule work that fits into your plans. It boosts product quality by ensuring equipment operates at design performance levels, eliminates wasted production costs while unplanned repairs are made, and ensures you deliver products on time with reliable equipment. To use VA, you need to understand the vibration measurement techniques. First, you calculate the vibration spectrum by measuring various points on its spectrum. Then, you establish a baseline of normal vibration levels and acceptable variations. Next, you generate signal models by translating the vibration data into a model that you can analyze. Finally, you analyze your data by looking at the harmonics of your vibration data, specifically synchronous peaks, which are high points in your vibration data that should repeat. Vibration analysis tools have evolved from large, bulky machines to lightweight handheld devices and continuous monitoring instruments. There are two types of devices that perform VA: portable devices and fixed devices. Portable devices are lower cost and allow the technician to make visual observations of an asset's condition during collection. Fixed devices, on the other hand, are used where it may be difficult or dangerous for a human to routinely reach the measurement points, or when continuous data is needed to provide a quick response to a critical piece of equipment. These VA tools work by picking up the vibrations produced by equipment and measuring their frequency and the intensity of each vibration. These measurements are then compared with known problems and past equipment history. For example, engineers at Interpipeline Limited of Alberta, Canada, were able to find the root cause of broken weldments by comparing their readings along the three axes of a pump. VA has multiple uses beyond traditional applications. It is often used to determine fan balances, drive belt conditions, and even pump cavitation. When using VA for predictive maintenance, it's important to follow a specific pattern. The system measures known failure vibration frequencies and compares data taken at one time from another. Increasing vibration or its impact identifies a potential issue. This is why measuring at the same time is critical. When using a portable device, the data collection process is usually called a route. A route establishes the equipment to be measured, the location on the equipment where the measurement is needed, and the types of tests required at each location. The data collected during the route is loaded into the VA database, which helps to identify irregularities from previous data, or is outside of a set parameter. VA is one of the most versatile tools in predictive maintenance programs. It has a long history with a proven track record for reliability. The potential for failure can be readily identified, data can be collected by anyone, a portable collection route can be rapidly established, and there are multiple uses of VA beyond the most prevalent bearing failure search. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider. A VA system requires initial setup, a VA champion needs to be trained and allowed to operate, and failed bearings are not easily recognized by many. And that brings us to the end of our deep dive into vibration analysis. We've covered how VA can help your organization save money and proactively address performance issues, the various vibration measurement techniques, and the types of devices that perform VA. We hope you found this information useful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.